Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make flowchart in Word documents or Word, Microsoft Word. So here you can see I am on my Word document. So I will show you how you can insert the flowchart or flow diagram. So first you go to the insert, and here you have to click on the smart art. In smart art, you will see the smart graphics, and you have to go in this option, and here you can see the many flowchart here. Now just select any flowchart. I just select this one and just go to the OK. Now this flowchart will be insert on your docs. Okay, so okay, now just select the flowchart, click on it, go to the format and go to the okay, go to the design, and here you can see the text panel, or you can just click on it and go right click and click on show panel, text panel. Now you will see the default text. Just select all by control key and delete all. Now you have to insert the process. So process will be different from start. So let's type start here. Okay, then enter. Okay, now you have to enter the tab to create the sub flow, and now you have to this is a process you have to insert. So I just insert, do you subscribe me? So we need two sub flow here, yes and no. Okay, if it is yes, then go to the enter, just click on tab, then I will tell you thanks. And if it is no, then just enter the hit the tab, and I will show the subcategory, which is please subscribe. Okay, so also I have to insert the in process here, and here also in process. Okay, so now you have to just come back to the floor. Now here you can see there is a shape you have to change, because there is a shape that indicate the start process, decision making, anything. So in start you have to make change the shape, like you can change shape from here also. Okay, and now for process you can change shape like diamond, you can say. Okay, and here the process. Okay, this is decision making shape, this is process shape, and you have to change the end shape also. Just hold the control key if you want to select multi shape. Now go to the right click, go to the shape, and here you can change the shape here. Okay, so this is indicate the int. Okay, so you can also change the arrows, like just select, hold the control key, select all arrows, just right click on any one and go to the shape or go to the format shape, or okay, go to the format here, go to the, you can just select arrow only. Okay, go to the shape outline, go to the arrows, and here you can see the select the arrows from here. Okay, this one I did not select, I think. Okay, so this flow chart has been done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.